Hello guys, how are you? Well, today we talk about the most famous woman in England. Who is? Come with me. She is Queen Elizabeth II. She is the Queen of the United Kingdom. She lives in Buckingham Palace with her husband, Prince Philip. In this photo you can see Queen Elizabeth when she was young. On her head she has an amazing crown. In the hand she has a scepter. She is sitting on the throne. Sometimes she moves with a beautiful carriage. Now listen and repeat. Queen, crown, scepter, throne, carriage. Okay, now try again and see you soon. Bye bye.